Good afternoon. The slides that you'll be reviewing are slides of a second grade classroom at Scott School while they were participating in a 50-minute program designed to help students learn about the importance of diversity in making healthy communities for both plants and animals. The students are currently required to do a report on a particular animal of their choice, and so we felt that it would be good to be able to bring in actual animals in order for them to see. So during this slide presentation, you will see a ball python snake and a hedgehog that the children were allowed to touch both if they chose to. Our focus for this presentation was to look at what a community is, what happens to the health of a community when there isn't diversity, and then what actions can you take to protect healthy communities. So the students were asked to define community as a group of organisms that depend on one another for survival. They were asked to explain why healthy communities depend on a diversity of plant and animal life. Also describe what happens to the health of a community when diversity is lost. And then they were asked to name 2 things that they could do to help protect a healthy community. So as the students were able to observe the animals and listen to the presentation, they were also provided with an activity after the presentation, which was taking elephant poop that had been recycled and refined and actually been formed into a paper fiber form, which is in the shape of a little small flower. The presenter also was able to provide them with a simple paste of flour and water, which they were able to form into a glue and just put onto the paper. And then they were given seeds in which to put on top of the paper and then let them dry so that way the seeds could be planted at a later date. You'll see here at the end where students have successfully either done big blotches of it, or some of them did like 3 dots of the paint. What you will not see is that afterwards they were each given a pot, soil, and they were able to put their little small elephant poop with the seeds into this little small container and then take it home. From what we understood, most of the kids were able to either put them into the ground or they put them into a bigger pot because the smaller pot that they used was biodegradable. So this is some just various pictures of them and the end of our presentation. Thank you.